Hello everyone, this is Ms. Hendricks. In this video, I want to show you how to check your progress within Edmodo as well as view your assignments. So let's go to Edmodo and get started. Here we are in Edmodo. Once you sign in to check your progress, you're going to click on your progress button at the top. Then click on the course that you want to check your progress. In this case, I'm going to click on Intro to Digital Tech. It's going to load every assignment that has been sent to me as a student. I'm going to scroll down. All of these have been exempted for me. C means the activity has been completed. NG means I'm not giving a grade for that particular assignment. And you will see down here at the bottom for myself, there are 3 assignments that have not been turned in. So to check your assignments, I'm going to click on the link. And over here on the right is the link to my website that's going to give me more information about this assignment. So I'm going to click this link. It's going to take me to my website. And this is where I'm going to find the instructions on what I need to do for this particular assignment. Thank you for watching my video. What I need for you to do is check your progress and see if you have any missing assignments. If you do, please go through, follow the instructions that's listed for the assignment, and submit those assignments. If you have any questions, please see me and I'll be glad to help you. Thank you.